for a technical update on the equity markets. The Nifty opened with a gap up today. However, it could not sustain onto the early morning gains, and the Nifty ended the day with a 20-point gain in today's trading session. The market breadth was positive with 914 advances to 625 declines. The mid cap index was down by 0.1% and the small cap index was up by 0.4% in today's trading session. Of the Nifty 50 pack, Infosys, HDFC Bank, State Bank of India and L&T were some of the draggers in trade today, while HDFC, Reliance, ITC, TCS, IndusInd Bank were some of the stocks which provided support and closed with gains in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty has retraced 78.6% of the entire fall which we have seen from the highs of 7808 up till the low of 7420 odd levels on the downside. Now today's high of 7722 becomes a crucial level to watch out for, as if in coming trading sessions we surpass this crucial level, then we will be crossing the crucial resistance on the upside, and also which indicates that there is the recent high of 7808 is being going to be tested in the coming trading sessions. The daily momentum indicator has a positive crossover, so momentum is on the buy side. We just need to the Nifty just needs to surpass the crucial resistance of 7722, which was the high it touched in today's trading session. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that the Nifty has closed with gains above the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. However, on the hourly charts, you can observe that the Nifty has breached this upward sloping support trend line and has closed below that. The hourly momentum indicator also has a negative crossover, which suggests that in the coming trading sessions we might just see a retracement of the entire rise which we have seen from the lows of 7420 odd levels. For that, 7659 and 7626 are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages, which can act as crucial supports for the Nifty in case we get a fall. Below that, 7609, which is a 20-day simple moving average, will be a crucial support the Nifty has to hold on to if it has to sustain or continue its upward rally. On the upside, 7722, which is the high of today, and 7808, which is the all-time high, are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty, we can observe that Bank Nifty has faced resistance around the upper end of the channel and has closed flat today, which indicates that there is some selling pressure and this upward region is acting as a supply territory for Bank Nifty. In coming trading sessions, we have the momentum indicator on the positive side. So in the coming trading sessions, if we trade above this crucial resistance, then the momentum on the upside should accelerate very fast. On the upside, 15,651 and 15,800 will act as crucial resistances. On the downside, 15,100 and 14,900 are crucial supports. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty remains positive. On the hourly charts, we can observe some weakness which might lead to a fall in the coming trading sessions. The fall should not go below 7609, which is a 20-day simple moving average. Crucial supports are placed at 7659 and 7626, which are the 20 and 40 hourly moving averages. So if the Nifty corrects in the coming trading session, these levels should hold on and the Nifty should not close below these crucial levels. That's all for the day. Thank you.